All right, today is a very special day. We were picking up some extra hands on the job site. I'm at the airport right now. This individual is gonna be staying with us for a week. And yeah, excited to have his help. Oh.
Hi, my name is Joe. Welcome to my new show. You know, they brought me on to spice things up. Here I am. Welcome to the party. That's all I gotta say. You'll see.
Let's go, baby.
Yep.
Joe sat at the lunch table and peeled off all of the drywall mud off of his shirt.
First things first.
Get all of the junks and
Education.
If you're holding your
At the house today, and we're about to apply some mud, baby. Mic'd up
You
here.
don't know mud, you don't know crud.
We're gonna fix that up.
Get covered in mud.
What's the mud say?
Oh, the sound effects?
Yeah.
Alright. You know? Oh,
Hi, Maddie. How you doing today?
I'm gonna give this mud everything I got.
Maddie, can you share with us your thoughts about doing closets?
Closets suck ass.
All right, we got Joe here today. Welcome, Joe.
Hey,
How you feeling today?
pretty good.
How much do you know about mudding drywall?
30 minutes of YouTube.
Home renovation.
30 minutes of YouTube. Okay, all right. We'll take that. We can work with that. If you run into a butt joint, what do you do?
Spread the cheeks, apply the tape. You know, you get this stuff, you scoop it around like a pizza, and then you start applying.
Okay, all right. I don't know if any of that was in the video. We'll take it. We're here. We're applying the pizza.
Well, this is almost empty. It's not that bad.
Did you put any water in it?
No water.
I remember the fucking 30 minutes I watched
right,
was that
Joe.
you gotta fucking mix the stuff. Ah!
Joe, what do you think?
Ain't fine. Just a bunch of stuff and I feel dirty.
What's that?
Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. It has been 10 years since my last confession. This is my first and my last day in Tampa. I underestimated how long the trip was gonna be, and I booked it for too long.
How did the first 2 hours on the job site go for you?
Dirty. It's really dirty here.
Is there anything that you would have done differently?
I would have bought a house that already had the drywall installed.
Okay.
And I would have just bought a new house. That's what I would have done if I were you. This one's old. You know?
Or when you watch us do it on video?
Or yeah, like Chip and Joe. It's more fun to watch Chip and Joe, they're funnier. Alright, we got morale, all-time low. But we're gonna try to fix it by going to get beers with lunch. Right, Maddie?
Yeah.
And yeah, again, no beers, just working all day with Andy. Seems like a pattern. I don't know.
Invite me over to demo.
I don't know.
No beers.
Cheers. Alright. Vibes slowly ticking up. We're about to get beer number 2. Ready?
Day 2. Let's mud. I'm tired of this. This freaking mess,
Give me
man.
a scraper for my legs.
Joe, what happened?
I don't know, dude. I pumped the button. You said tap it. Here you go, Joe.
Here you go. It's looking good in here. Nice and mudded.
Thanks, Andy.
While Joe is working in there, I am sanding these ceilings here. Because they have a textured finish on them. Most of them are existing. So just sanding it down so we can patch up some holes.
Alright. How do you turn it on, Andy? I have me going out the window.
Alright, done for the day. We got through the master bedroom, second coat of mud, and we're doing the guest bedroom and the bathroom. Cheers.
Tastes so good!
Having so much fun here, and I wish that we never had to go back to Osborne ever again. I think I broke my leg and I can't walk. And I think that I'm just gonna sit here till I gotta go home. I'll be here. I want one more whiskey before we go, okay?
Okay, we are day 3 with Joe's help here, doing the mudding. Our goal is to finish the second coat everywhere today. So, we gotta be working real efficiently to get that done.
Why is it wavy?
Well, it's flat. That's why it's wavy. It had to be wavy to be flat.
This one looks good. Has this one been done yet for the second coat?
Kill it.
He's bad. He's gotta go.
Get him.
You.
This is how you take care of drywall.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit. You hit it harder, Joe.
Oh my god.
Whoa, what the?
We're doing this one. We just need to make some room. Yeah.
Hey, Joe.
So I was listening to that song and you turned it off.
I'll turn it back on.
I'm vibing right now and I'm just, I'm moving a little faster than the other day. And,
Yeah.
You know?
Could you explain to us a perfect, like what a feathered edge is?
Yeah, it's where when it dries, they don't yell at you after. Like I'm really trying to feather this edge. You can see over here, it's looking fairly feathered. You can kind of see the translucency of the mud.
So the feather means you can see
If
through it.
If you look at this, you can see this little thickness right here needs to be feathered still.
obviously that's where Andy turned the music off when I walked over here, and I'm just like, so that needs to be feathered still, and the more we talk about it, the less likely that it's gonna get feathered because it's gonna f***ing dry. And anyways, what else do you want to see?
That's, I guess, get to feathering those edges before they dry. All right, thanks. Status update.
Joe got here on Monday. It's now Thursday, and we have the second coat done on this whole bedroom half of the house. And then the second coat is halfway done in the closets and in the living room, so pretty good.
Explain to everyone what globbing is.
Globbing is when you are mudding and you have your hawk and your knife and a giant splat of mud falls on the ground. Or on your shoe, like Andy totally globbed on his shoe.
That was from Joe.
Joe did that to you?
When he pulled the mixer out of the bucket and spun it.
Yeah, listen, it takes a serious level of skill to be able to mix drywall compound properly.
Joe, how you feel? How's it feeling today?
Ready for lunch.
Ready for lunch?
Yeah.
These corners up here against the ceiling were a bitch to do.
Here's a good example, a glob example. You know, I was thinking we could scrape it up after it dries.
Oh,
and
we could sell them, Andy.
make it a Christmas ornament.
Then you guys can start making some money here. Can we go to lunch now?
No.
On the ceiling. Look at that, he's a natural. Maddie, come over here.
I can't.
We're about to have a mud throwing competition. We're gonna see who's the best mud thrower, most accurate.
3, 2, 1.
Got it.
Bang shot.
Maddie doesn't want to play, so it's just me and Joe.
Maddie throws mud like a girl.
Oh, banged it. All right, back up a little bit here.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh! Too much distance on it.
Wow. All right, let's see for the win.
All right, this game's over. Ready? Come on.
I don't like doing the first coat of mudding. That's what I have to say. that the only spot yet?
Second coat of mud complete. This room's looking awfully smooth. Joe likes to share with Len.
Try to take it back. And when my friend comes to go, Andy's been to a friend party.
Because of me. Lists and letters. Let me just add a little list real quick.
Last day with Joe here. It's Friday. We gotta do some sanding. We gotta do some mudding. We gotta finish this bad boy.
First step, PPE. Get yourself an N95 and some goggles, you know.
Yep, good. Glasses also work.
Do they?
Glasses work too if you don't want to wear goggles. So what this thing is, it's a sander, but it's also a vacuum, okay? And it's got a long stick so you can reach ceilings and top of walls. But you also got a lot of cords that you need to drag around the place. You can see the mess of cords because everything needs to get plugged in. So in between second and third coats, we're gonna do a nice light sanding just to knock down the edges, give us a good foundation to start our third coat, which will be our final coat, hopefully. And we're about to get that started, so let's go. What are you doing next?
I just told you. I'll say it again. Excuse me. I'm just gonna get everything finished over to this way. Already got this wall. I'm gonna do that wall. Walk around. Try not to. I'm wearing my mask usually.
You get a little dusty over
I
there?
just dropped it somewhere. Where is it?
Alright, sick. We're getting there. Exterminator Joe on the case.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Joe.
Like that. Well, I think this guy's ready to go. It's feeling a little smooth, getting a little, a couple of rips here. Pressing really hard, getting exhausted. So I think it's time to change it. Start it up.
Okay, that's a wrap on day 4 with JoJo. We got pretty much second coat done everywhere. So all I have to do now is the finishing coat everywhere. So hopefully I can bust that out in a couple of days. Maybe 3, I'm gonna guess and say it's gonna take me 3 days to finish the drywall third coat. All right, leaving. Woo! Peace. See you. Work. Good work, buddy. Mwah! Come here. What a beautiful day to ride a bike. Oh my God, who's this? This is the bike ride from Ozzy. First ever time it was taped. We got JoJo in the lead up here. He just missed the turn, but that's okay. That was nice. Hit a wheelie, dude. Sippy stop. Sippy stop.
Right now, we are at the Grand Cathedral, which is a former church that has been converted into a coffin cigar lounge. Right here on Florida Avenue, we are pretty much in the Tampa Heights area. Homes in this surrounding neighborhood are probably starting at like 500,000, go up from there. But it's a great spot. You gotta come here. This is Madeline Donlin, your Tampa Realtor. Madeline Donlin.
I like the tagline.
Oh, you like that?
Your Tampa Realtor.
Madeline Donlin. It's me. You can click the link. You can click on the link in the description.
Oh, I like that. Clink the link.
Clink the
That could be your
link.
thing.
What does that
Clink,
even
guys,
mean?
clink your beers.
Click the link.
Clink the link.
Clink the link.
What's up, y'all? Beautiful day here at Ozzy on Osborne Street. I'm your host today, Donnie Dimes. We got a special guest. All right, I'm your host today, A-Dog, and we got JoJo here today. JoJo, welcome. Welcome to the show. Welcome to Ozzy. Yes. JoJo he's gonna walk through our 7 steps to finishing drywall today.